Hi, I'm Patrick Voes. In this tutorial, we show a simple setup and transform it to a complex one. As example, we use the MC10 connected to an XFX2. In order that this could be applied to any MIDI device, we won't use the special XFX2 functions like auto-engage, XY and scenes. Let's start with the default settings of the MC10, which are 10 PCs, or program changes. As you can see, every button is a program change and press and hold is blocked. Let's test this on the MC10. Okay, this works. First, let us import preset names from a txt file. Now, let us change button 9 and 10 to bang down and up. We also change the name. On page 2, we remove every program change, otherwise our total presets per bang would be 20. Let's test this on the MC10. As you can hear and see, preset names are displayed and bang down up works. Next step is to make a second page for controlling stomp boxes. We remove bang down up and change button 10 to a page button. Let's call it FX. On page 2, we change button 20 to page to go back to presets. My FX setup would be phaser, drive 1, delay, solo, flanger or chorus, drive 2, tremolo, multi-delay, and tap tempo. Let's start with button 11, phaser. We change the first command to CC on-off. The CC number can be found in the manual of the MIDI device, which is an XFX2 in our case. Phaser bypass is CC number 75. Similarly, we make drive 1, drive 2 and delay. Button 14, solo. Here we want to turn off drive 1, delay and add an additional filter, which acts as a volume boost. We use button on-off to turn on-off drive 1 and delay, and an additional CC on-off command for filter 1. Button 15 should activate flanger or chorus, depending on the preset. We have to use 2 CC on-off commands here. For button 17, tremolo, we are going to use steps to turn the tremolo on and off and change the speed. With each button press, the next step will be executed. First step turns the tremolo on. We use an CC on only with CC 90. Fourth step turns the tremolo off with the CC off only command. Second and third step activate the low and high speed. We don't want to use 0 and 127 as values, so we need to use a CC custom as command. We set custom 1 for the low speed and custom 2 for the high speed. In global settings, we set a CC value of the low and high speed. The speed is controlled by external tree, which is CC 18. For low speed, we use 60 as value and 120 as value for high speed. Since we are on the global page, let's set the expression 1 pedal CC number to control the wah frequency, which is controlled by external 1, which has CC 16. And we also turn on the auto engage function of expression 1 pedal, which is the wah bypass with CC 97. Let me remind you that we don't use the auto engage function of the XFX. Back to page 2. Button 18 will be configured as multi-delay. We want to change expression pedal 1 from wah, which is the default, to volume for a nice fade in. Volume is controlled by external 2, which is CC 17. We set the first command to expression 1 CC swap with CC 17. We also make a second command to turn on/off the multi-delay. Button 19 is a tap pedal. We use CC on only here. Let's test this on the MC10. We don't want that the flanger, chorus, and the phaser can be activated both at the same time. The same with drive 1 and 2. To do that, we put them in groups. We put flanger, chorus, and phaser in group 1 and drive 1 and 2 in group 4. Notice the color change to indicate they are grouped. Let's test this on the MC10. As you can see in here, the phaser is activated, and when we activate flanger, the phaser is turned off. Same thing happens with drive 1 and 2. Let's take it one step higher. At the moment, we only have access to 8 presets since we don't use bank down and up. Let's change button 9 and 10 back to bank down and up and use some magic to go to the FX page. By calling button 20, which is a page button, as second command on each preset button, we will change the preset and automatically go to the FX page. Pressing button 20 will bring us back to the presets page. Let's test this on the MC10. Thank you for watching.